Built in the 16th century, this historic building has always embodied elegance and charm. In 2024, it entered a new chapter as Palazzo Thalia. With 5 centuries of history, Palazzo Thalia underwent a major renovation, aimed at preserving its classical beauty while meeting the high standards of modern hospitality.
The project required a thoughtful and collaborative approach to achieve the ideal outcomes in both architectural integrity and indoor comfort. From an engineering perspective, DVM S2 offers clear advantages in terms of compactness and easy on installation.
Unlike a traditional chiller system, DVM S2 uses refrigerant directly, eliminating the need for bulky additional equipment such as big cooling towers on the rooftop. And since DVM S2 is a modular system, it can be installed in separate sections to suit the given situation.
From the guest perspective, the absence of noise and vibration from large mechanical equipments ensure a quiet and relaxing atmosphere. The refrigerant flows directly to the ducted units installed in the ceiling of each room, allowing for personalized control over temperature and airflow, offering a truly tailored comfort experience.
In addition, floor standing concealed indoor units were installed in the high ceiling lobby, corridors and ballroom to maximize cooling performance at the level where guests actually spend their time. As a result, even in spacious areas with large windows and high ceiling, guests can enjoy a consistently comfortable environment.
Today, Palazzo Thalia represents a harmonious blend of historical elegance and cutting-edge technology. Samsung DVM S2 system has played a key role in this transformation. Thank you, Samsung.